Hi, this is Victor here. Welcome to another episode of Pass Your Driving Test on Your Next Attempt. Today, I'm going to tell you what are the things to take note before your driving practical test. Booking of your car practical test time slot. There are total 9 slots daily from Monday to Friday. For Saturday, there will be 5 slots only in the morning. No test on Sunday and public holiday. The earliest slot starts from 8:25 a.m. and the last slot starts at 4:30 p.m. Duration for each test is about 45 minutes. Try to avoid booking the practical test time during the peak hours because of the morning rush and lunchtime. The best timing will be between 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. and 2 to 4 p.m. Check your PDL expiry date. Make sure it is still valid on the test date. Screenshot your PDL on your phone. Reconfirm your test date and timing for the warm-up section and location of the reporting room. Bring your identity card, NRIC, on the test day. Do not wear slippers during the test. You can be disqualified from taking the test. Be punctual or early for the warm-up section. Reach earlier instead of rushing to control your anxiety levels. During the warm-up section, get familiar with the warm-up car as the test car is the same vehicle. After the warm-up section, the warm-up instructor will direct you to the waiting room to wait for the tester. You can request to go to the washroom first. Sincerely hope that this video will help you in your upcoming test. Please help to subscribe and I will continue to make more of such videos. Thanks.